Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just jump on here really quick and show you something that I received from iMethod Beauty. It is their eyebrow stamps. So I'm really excited that they sent me these eyebrow stamps and I can't wait to try them. I really enjoyed their eyeliner stamps. I think they're fabulous and I use that eyeliner every single day. I might not use the stamp every day, but I do use the eyeliner itself because it's a really good quality eyeliner. So in this little package, I have a little brush and a little eyebrow brush, and then you have the pomade and these stamps. All these stamps, there's little sizes on this, and I guess just you want to measure them up against your brow to see if it is the size that you want. I'm just going to brush my brows back a little. Then this is what you put in the pomade. So they sent me brown, which I think is going to work just fine. So you kind of push in this pomade, get it nice and coated. I chose size 3, and then you just kind of place that where you want and push, and it should give you some really cool brows. So we'll see. I'm a little nervous here. I think I have this where I want it. I look kind of silly right now. So I'm just going to start blotting this on here. Here we go. That doesn't look bad. It really does not look bad. It's a little dark. That one was a little bit more messy. It's my error. I don't think I had it positioned correctly. And then I didn't put as much product on that side as I did on this side because I didn't want it to look as dark as that one. So it's not, this is user error, not product error. I actually think this product is pretty cool. And if you look at this eyebrow, I mean, it really does look good. I really like it. Okay, once I touched up this eyebrow here a little bit, I mean, they look pretty good. I'm actually really impressed. I would definitely recommend practicing with this product. As you can see, I just took it out of the package and showed you how it worked. But I definitely would practice a little bit with just how much pressure you want to use, how much product you want to use. I do think that you can make this look a little bit lighter than I did. I did make them look a little darker. I don't think it looks bad, but they are a little darker than I normally do my brows. But again, if I didn't use as much product, that probably wouldn't have happened. But I'm glad they are a little bit darker so I can show you guys exactly how the product works. And I really do think it is a good product, and I'm really excited that it worked out as well as it did. I think iMethod Beauty makes quality products, and I really hope to see them just boom in the future. I really think they make some great products. I love their liners. I love this eyebrow stamp. I've been wanting to use this forever, and I'm so excited to finally get to use it. So thank you very much, iMethod Beauty, for sending this to me.